A 472 cubic inch V8 with an Edelbrock intake attached to a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission sends the power to the 10-bolt rear with 373 gears to move this chopped 1937 Buick Roadmaster 4-door sedan down the road, catching the attention of everyone you pass. This hot rod has brilliant purple paint, 15-inch Centerline wheels, and a 90s Coddington vibe. And in fact, it has a Boyd Coddington steering wheel to go along with a digital gauge cluster. This cruiser features an airbag suspension in the front and leaf springs in the back. Stopping power is courtesy of disc brakes on the front corners and drum brakes in the rear. This chopped and shaved rod also features dual exhaust and comes with a 3-ring binder with operating instructions and specifications to help the new owner. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.